You have the option. You could set it up with 4 servos or 3 servos. The advantage of having 4 servos over 3 servos is if one of your ball links pops off, breaks, or if a servo goes bad on you in flight, with the redundancy of having this isn't going through. By having that redundancy, you actually do have a chance of safely landing the helicopter if one of those 4 servos would happen to fail for any reason, or a ball link were to pop off on you. Whereas if you're only operating with 3 servos and one of the servos fails, you're probably going to crash the helicopter. It's going to be, you'd have to be pretty lucky to get the helicopter back down safely. And this isn't lining up for some reason. That might have been it. This one's not working well.